Welcome to Clearview, a neighborhood in Oakville that can be described as calm, peaceful, yet convenient and practical.
If you're relocating within Oakville or moving to Oakville, stick around to learn about this neighborhood. It might be the perfect place you're looking for.
Clearview is a family-oriented neighborhood with a strong residents association.
This neighborhood is conveniently located next to Mississauga and has a well-balanced mix of amenities that cater to a diverse set of lifestyles. The streets are meant for families that want traffic calming and bike lanes forming part of the streetscape. Clearview has nice-sized, detached homes on winding traffic-calmed streets. The topography is quite hilly in spots, and there is a fair number of neighborhood parkettes and trails. Schools and shopping plazas are located in the interior of the neighborhood, far away from the busier streets. The signature landmark street in this neighborhood is Kingsway Drive that goes through its center. The elevated topography of this community provides clear vistas of the town of Oakville and Lake Ontario to the south. A minute drive up Winston Churchill Boulevard brings you to Winston Park, a nearby entertainment hub full of cinemas, restaurants, and activities like indoor skydiving at iFly Toronto or Oakville Putting Edge. Clearview has a plethora of parks and open green space. Clearview Park has woodland area for nature walks. There is Jonathan Park, Winton Way Park, and Kingsford Garden, which are all interconnected by the Evan Head Ridge Trail that circles the neighborhood. Parks are excellent for leisurely walks and bike rides. For fitness, these parks have tennis courts, basketball courts, baseball fields, soccer fields, and kids' playground. Kingsford Gardens, perched on a sunny elevation along Sherway Heights Drive, is a community garden where you can grow your own fruits and vegetables.
These gardening plots right here are available on a rental basis from the town of Oakville, and the upkeep of these plots are the responsibility of the person renting them out.
There's also a leash-free area for dogs and a children's playground at the south end of this park. Some nice local and special food joints to try are Four Brothers Pizza right in the heart of the neighborhood and Tetra Timone Ristorante, a local fine dining Italian restaurant in Winston Park. The housing stock here ranges from entry-level link-style homes and townhomes approximately 1,500 to 2,000 square feet in size to mostly mid-sized detached 3 to 4 bedroom homes ranging from 2,500 to 3,500 square feet. Clearview homes have a fairly uniform look. Think late 1980s subdivisions with all brick exteriors and garages out in front. Backyards tend to be a decent size and well suited to families.
Some of these homes are going to be out of date inside and are going to need a lot of freshening up, so expect to see a lot of price discrepancy based on the level of improvements and the size of the home. Prices are always changing, so it's best to talk with a real estate agent that can give you a good estimate of what the current market prices are in this area.
Clearview is right next to Winston Park, which has a cinema, entertainment, and restaurants, and it's only a 5-minute drive. Bus number 12, which runs through Kingsway Drive, takes you to Winston Park in just 12 minutes. It's only a 7-minute drive to the Clarkson GO station in Mississauga, or you can take the bus route number 12. And you're only a 3-minute drive from the Winston Churchill ramp or the Ford Drive ramp off of the QEW. On the north side of the community, you're going to find 3 hotels, a gas station, a coffee shop, and some small businesses. On the east side, you're going to find another plaza with a bank, pharmacy, and health-related stores. Wherever you are in Clearview, you're only a minute or 2-minute walk away from a nice park. It's only a 6-minute drive to the water, where there's plenty of parks and beaches to enjoy. If you have kids, we know how important schools are. Let's see what's nearby. For elementary and middle schooling, your go-to schools are St. Luke Catholic Elementary School, a 2 to 12-minute walk, James W. H. Public School, a 2 to 15-minute walk, and they're located right in the interior of the neighborhood. For high schools, the closest option is the Clarkson Secondary School, a 5-minute drive. If you want a Catholic one, Iona Catholic High School is there. If you want to stick to a school within Oakville, either the Oakville Trafalgar High School or the Iroquois Ridge High School will do, but they have a slightly longer commute. There is a bus service to the Oakville Trafalgar High School, which is route number 84.
So is Clearview in Oakville the right neighborhood for you? If you want to learn more about the other Oakville neighborhoods and how they compare with Clearview, check out my playlist right here. Tell me in the comments below what questions you still have about Clearview and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching from Raj Full, your local guide in Oakville.